Hi there, my name is Maurice Ricard from Inbound Elements, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily edit the footer in any of your Elements templates. Okay, so as you see, we have 4 Elements templates or themes, as you would like to name them. We have the Elements HubSpot theme, the Business Elements HubSpot theme, the SaaS Elements HubSpot theme, and the One Elements HubSpot theme. As you can see, we like the Elements word. So, okay. Some question we get from time to time is how to actually edit the footer. And the answer is that it is very, very simple to edit the footer. And what you need to do is just the following. So you can go into your website settings here in marketing, website and website pages. And then you can create a new page. That is just needed so you can enter the design settings. But if you already have a page created, you can just go with that. As you can see, just a few minutes ago, I recorded the edit header demo. So I created the page. I will create another one just to give you an example. So you just create like edit or demo or something like that. You can just name it as you want. Once you are on that page, you can select what page you want to use as a template. And I will select this one in here. Once we're in here, you can see that if we go here into design and then edit theme settings, we will have another page that shows all the different theme settings. And on these theme settings, you will see that we have a lot of different things. But one of those things that we have is the footer settings. And we can open it here. And you will see that by default, the footer has 4 different styles. Sorry, actually 5 different styles. We just released one more in the latest release. So you can actually change that based on which style you want. We invite you to select between a few of those. And let me show you one example. You can select on what page you want to preview it. I, for example, will select this page and let me just go here. You can see that like it shows the different footer styles. You can choose footer 1 and it will look a little different, as you can see. And you can choose like footer 3 and it will look a little different. You can see again. And then you can just choose the one you want. Okay, I will choose the footer 1 because that's the most popular footer and just for the sake of this demo, but the functionality is the same. No matter if you choose the footer 1 or any other footer, okay? So now, once you already select which one you want, you can just go here to go back to page editor. By the way, if you selected another one, just click publish, so it's published. And then once you are back, you can scroll to the bottom. You will see that the footer that you selected, it's in here. And it says, this is a global content. This pretty much means that this element is used on many different pages, and that's the way you want it. Otherwise, you will need to change the footer every time, and that's not ideal. So you can see this. You can click on this little edit module icon, click open in global content editor, and it's going to open another page again. Just 1 second, it actually lagged a little. Okay, it opened now. So it will open that on another page, drive you to the footer. And you will see that here you have a lot of different elements that are related to your footer. Okay, so for example, the first thing you have is a divider. Okay, and you can make the divider you can make it much wider. For example, you can put something like that. You can even change you can make it dotted, or you can change the color, or pretty much anything you want. I will keep it like that just for an example. Then you can have the logo. You can select your logo and you can change it to anything else you want again. You can just select here and just add any logo. I will add this one, for example. You can see your logo is in there. Then you can change this copy. You just double click. You can start typing. And here you can see that we have an email, so people can subscribe to your newsletter. If you don't want to have this, you can just disable it. It's not a problem to actually disable it. Or you can just have it in case that's what you want. You can just choose your form and all of that, okay? So then we have the menus, and you can see we have 4 columns. You can put a lot of links. In here, if for any reason you decide that you don't want as many, you can just select this like this. You can just delete it using the delete icon, button on your keyboard. But if you don't want to delete them, you can just select them and start kind of changing them. Sorry, I actually clicked the link. So you can click here, for example, just click here, change the link text to test, and then any link you want. It can be like the link here or like an external URL or anything you want. Okay. And then here you can also change these logos too. You can, for example, probably you don't have Instagram, you can just disable it and that's it. As well as on the copyright settings. Maybe you want to make copyright 2023 because we're already on 2023. You can just do it like that. Once you're ready, you can just click publish to 114 assets or any number of assets you have depending on your website, and it will be live. And just like that, you can edit it just as simple as that. As you remember, we have 5 footers, so this is just one of them. Depending on the one that you want to edit, the process will be the same, but you will have a different footer. And yeah, like that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's really pretty easy, not complicated at all. And the process is the same for all of our themes, no matter if you are on Elements or if you are on One Elements or anything else. And that's pretty much it for the moment. If you have any questions, we invite you to get in touch with us at support@inboundelements.com. We will be more than happy to help you out. And that's pretty much it. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.